Want to know how to add echo to your audio clips in Audacity? Well, no worries. This video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity and just simply hit was file, select import and then import any audio that you like. Now, just simply double click to select the entire track or just drag and select the certain part of the track that you want to select. Now just simply hit towards effects, that should be on top right here. And now once you've selected effects, just simply sort opt for delay and reverb. Now once you've selected delay and reverb, just simply hover on it and here you should be seeing echo right here. Just simply select it and now here you should be seeing delay times and delay factor. So I'd suggest to keep it on around 1 or 1.5 and 0.5 on the delay factor. And once you're done with it, just simply select apply right here. And now once it's selected apply right here, you can see the waveform has been changed as well. And now you can just simply select space bar to play and preview it and you're good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.